Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cloud databases with MongoDB, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin managing cloud databases with MongoDB, start by setting up your development environment. Install MongoDB on your local machine by downloading it from the official website. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system to ensure proper setup. Once installed, verify the installation by opening your terminal and typing Mongo. This command should launch the MongoDB shell, confirming that the installation was successful. Next, create an account with a cloud provider that supports MongoDB, such as MongoDB Atlas. After logging in, navigate to the Atlas interface and click on the Build a Database option. Select your preferred cloud provider and region where you want your database hosted. Choose the cluster tier based on your expected workload and budget. Once you have configured your cluster settings, click the Create Cluster button. Wait for a few minutes while the cluster is provisioned. Once the cluster is ready, navigate to the Database Access section to set up users. Create a new database user by specifying a username and password. Ensure you note down the credentials as they will be needed for future access. Next, navigate to the Network Access section to allow your IP address to connect to the cluster. Click on Add IP address and either enter your current IP or allow access from anywhere for testing purposes. Now, return to your cluster overview and click on Connect to get your connection string. Modify the connection string by replacing username and password with your database user credentials. Open your code editor and create a new project for connecting to your MongoDB instance. Install the MongoDB driver for your programming language if you haven't done so already. For Node.js, for example, you would run npm install mongod from your project directory. Create a new JavaScript file and import the MongoDB client in your code. Use the connection string to establish a connection to your MongoDB cluster. Once connected, create a new database or access an existing one using the client instance. Define your collections and documents based on the data structure you require. Insert sample documents into your collection to begin using your database. Use MongoDB queries to retrieve and manipulate the data as needed. To ensure data safety, consider implementing backups through the Atlas interface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.